Tradition! Tradition!
Hi everybody, this is Hannah Child, and today I'm going to make chicken soup with Sarah and Gilly for Passover. So what I like to do is to have dark meat, and this time I have 14 legs, or as we say in Yiddish, pulkis. Then I have parsley, celery, turnip, what's the other one? The other one that I like.
Parsnip?
Parsnip, exactly. And then zucchinis, onions, and carrots. And the way I do it in a second, first we're gonna put the chicken in the pot. We'll stir it a little bit, and then we're gonna put half of the vegetables, half of the carrots, and all the other garnishes. And if you ask me how much, I don't really know, but a little bit. So for like 14 of these, I have maybe 14 carrots, and then 8 zucchinis, 2 onions, a bunch of celery, 2 parsnip, and 2 turnip, and parsley. And that's it. And then later on, I might add to it some consomme, salt, and pepper. And we'll see.
Okay.
That's it for today, and we'll be back in a minute. Next phase. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the chicken in the pot. You don't put any oil, nothing. Just a little bit of water so it doesn't stick, because the chicken has a lot of oil in it. And this is why I'm using chicken legs, because it's really oily. You hear the
And it's on high heat.
It's high heat for now. High heat. Okay, that's it. And then I'm gonna put a little bit, not a lot, of garlic powder. Some people don't do that, but I do. I don't listen. I just do that, and now I'm gonna stir it.
Okay. What kind of stir do you want?
Just something from wood, if you have. If you don't have, it's okay too. All right, I'll stir it with this one. And I'm stirring. And I'm stirring, and while I'm stirring it, I'm going to start putting the vegetables.
Okay.
Onions, parsnip, turnip, celery, which I don't like to eat, but I put it for cooking,
She doesn't like celery, that's true.
and parsley.
Look at that. Delicious.
It's already done.
It already smells good.
Yeah. And some salt and pepper in a minute. But for now, I'm gonna take a break and let it be together.
Okay.
And we'll wait a second, and we'll go back. We'll come back to you after the commercial. And I'm back at you, and thank you for joining us again. Chicken soup for everybody for Passover. So the zucchini and the carrots, I'm gonna put only half of it. And the reason that I'm putting only half of it, because they get very, very mushy. So toward the end, I'm gonna put a little bit more raw carrots and more zucchini, so it's gonna be a lot better. And now I'm stirring it a little bit, and I'm gonna put this one.
Pepper.
I don't know if I did the right way. How do you do it? Square. And then we might need to do a few more carrots, Gilly. And I'm stirring it. Do some peppers. Yo, it's my helper. Thank you for coming,
Sous
Gilly.
chef.
PA.
Look at those Pilates arms.
Wow.
Yeah. And then look at that. It's almost ready. And now we're gonna put water.
More pepper?
No, not now. And now we're gonna put water and let it sit for like an hour or two. And we'll come back to you later. Thank you.
Oh, okay. We've added some boiling water.
Yes, the water, and I'm mixing it. I'm gonna add some more.
Okay.
And we'll let it boil probably for an hour and a half. Then we'll check it again. And we might put some more fresh carrots and fresh zucchini.
Okay. What do you think, pups?
So right now,
That now, with the soup is ready,
we
and we're just separating it.
separate the chicken.
The chicken, because we want to make kind of like a clear soup. So it's gonna stay for a little bit, and then we're gonna take away some of this fat.
And then this is the chicken bowl. This is the good veggies bowl. This is the drippings
For the dogs.
For the dogs.
Or for Elijah.
Or for Elijah. Okay.
Opa.
And we don't put any of the parsnips in the final thing.
Because some people like it, but some people don't.
But some people don't. So you have a strainer.
The chicken soup ready to be served after you saw me making it. And back to you to commercials.